ಹತ್ತನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏಜು ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2ರಂದು ನಡೆಯುವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್. In an electric circuit, to get an equivalent resistance Rs, 4 resistors of 2 ohm each are first connected in series. Later, to get an equivalent resistance of Rp, the same resistors are connected in parallel. Then the ratio of Rs Rp is 16:1. If the power of a lens is plus 4D, then its focal length is 0.25 m. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. Answer the following questions. Write the symbols of the following components used in an electric circuit. Combination of two cells. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Wires crossing without joining. ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Can an electric heater of 2 kW be connected to a domestic circuit rated 15 amp and has a potential difference of 220 volts? Support your answer. ನೋಡಿ, can be connected because the rate of electric circuit is less than 15 ampere. Answer the following questions. Define the following related to the lens. Optic center, aperture. Or what is refraction of light? Write the Snell's law of refraction of light. The central point of a lens is its optic center. The effective diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called its aperture. In our question answer nodi, the light ray while traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the light of a given color and for the given pair of media. Sin I by sin R equal to constant. Production of nuclear energy is advantageous and also disadvantageous. Clarify this statement with suitable explanation. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನು? Fission of an atom of uranium gives the energy equivalent to the 10 million times of the energy produced by the combustion of an atom of carbon from coal. Conventional energy sources can be conserved. Disadvantages: storage and disposal problems of nuclear fuels, high cost of installation, it makes environmental contamination. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀಡಿದ್ದು, ಅವುಗಳ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು many solar cells are combined to get solar panel for practical use. Why? One solar cell in sunlight can produce only 0.7 watt of electricity. As it is very small quantity of solar panel should be used. Answer the following questions. Nodi, draw the ray diagram of image formation when the object is kept at 2f1 of the convex lens. With the help of a ray diagram, mention the position and the nature of the image formed. Nodi, f1 principal focus of the lens, f1. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು position of the image at f2, nature of the image, real and inverted. 200 joule of heat is produced each second is a 8 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference between the resistance. Or an electric refrigerator rated 300 watt operates 6 hours in a day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 7 per kilowatt? Solution. ನೋಡಿ, H equal to 200J, R equal to 8 ohm, T equal to 1 second, V equal to ನೋಡಿ H equal to I square into RT, I equal to square root of H by RT. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I equal to 5 amps, volt equal to 40 voltage. ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 54 kilowatt hour. Thus the cost of energy to operate the refrigerator for 30 days is ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ 54 into rupees 7, 378 rupees ಬಂತು. In domestic circuits, what are the reasons for overloading? Explain the working of earth wire. Or a coil of insulated copper wire is connected to a galvanometer. What will happen if a bar magnet is pushed into the coil, withdrawn from the inside the coil, held stationary inside the coil? Reason for overload: when the live wire and neutral wire come into direct contact. Leakage of current in electrical appliances: connecting too many appliances to a single socket. To the working of earth wire: the metallic body of electrical appliances are connected to the earth wire. If any leakage of current occurs in the electrical appliances, keep their potential difference same as to that of the earth and user may not get severe electric shock. Or the needle of the galvanometer deflects. The needle of the galvanometer deflects in the direction opposite to the first. The needle of the galvanometer does not deflect. Needle indicates 0. In answer the following questions. State the right hand thumb rule. Write any two properties of the magnetic field lines. What is solenoid? How can this be converted into an electromagnet? To the right hand thumb rule. When you are holding a current carrying conductor such that the thumb points towards the direction of current, then your fingers will wrap around the conductor in the direction of the field lines of the magnetic field. Properties of the magnetic field lines: emerge from north pole and merge at south pole. Closed curves never intersect each other, have magnitude and direction. Notice solenoid: a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder is called a solenoid. Current carrying solenoid can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron when placed inside the coil. ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ a ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely into the water. Does the light ray bend towards the normal or away from the normal? 5. What is absolute refractive index? The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡರ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೋಡಿ it bends towards normal. ನೋಡಿ part B, chemistry. Property of carbon given rise to large molecules by forming covalent bonds with other carbon atoms is catenation. Equation that represents neutralization reaction in the following is HCl plus NaOH NaCl plus H2O. One limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table is this classification has not assigned a fixed position to hydrogen. Aqueous solution of an acid conducts electricity. 5. Acids form ions in aqueous solutions. What are periods and groups in modern periodic table? ನೋಡಿ periodic table ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Observe the electronic configuration of 4 elements given in the following table and answer the below questions. Arrange these elements in decreasing order of their atomic radii. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Draw the diagram of the arrangement of apparatus showing the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. pH values of solutions P, Q, R, S are 8, 2, 11 and 14 respectively. Which solution among the following converts blue litmus to red? Why? Has more OH ions concentration? Why? Our question. Observe the pH values of 4 solutions given in the following table and answer the question below. Solution P, Q, R, S. pH values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10, 13.7, 7, 1.2. ನೋಡಿ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Draw the diagram of arrangement of apparatus showing the testing the conductivity of salt solution and label the graphite rod. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಿಗರ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಗ್ರಾಫೈಟ್ ರಾಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. What is ductility? What is the most ductile metal? What is sonorous property? Name the liquid metal. Ability of metals to be drawn into thin wires. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ ductility. Which is the most ductile metal? Gold. What is sonorous property? Property of metal to produce sound when it hit on a hot surface. Name the liquid metal. Mercury. ನೋಡಿ mercury ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The molecular formula of the first member of organic compounds that are in homologous series is CH3OH. Determine the molecular formula of third and fifth members of this group. Write the structural formula of third member. ನೋಡಿ third member C3H7OH, fifth member C5H11OH. Structural formula of third member. Carbon could not form. ನೋಡಿ why? Write the electron dot structure of methane. Or ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. Because has a double bond between carbon atoms. Hydrogen is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. Why? Aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Why? ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವು. ಇನ್ನು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ. An illustration for reflex action among the following is withdrawing hands back when unknowingly touch a hot pan. Pea plants with round cells RR are crossed with pea plants with wrinkled seeds small RR. The percentage of plants that are having RR genetic makeup in F2 generation is 25%. Though ozone is deadly poison, it is essential for life on the earth. Justify this statement. At the higher levels of atmosphere, ozone shields the earth's surface from ultraviolet radiation from the sun, thus protects the living organism on the earth. Schematic representation of blood circulation in the mammals is given below. Name the blood vessels X and Y. Which blood vessels has walls? Note, X equal to artery, Y equal to vein. Vein has two walls. Vein has walls. Use and throw culture spoils the environment. How? This culture generates and deposits more of non-biodegradable waste in water and soil. Draw the diagram showing the germination of pollen on stigma and label pollen tube. Or a simple diagram. Diagram 1.5 mass ಮತ್ತೆ part ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ half mass. Draw the diagram showing excretory system in human beings and label urinary bladder. Write two difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Which is the chemical responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? ನೋಡಿ, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste difference ಮತ್ತು chlorofluorocarbon CFC ಇದೇನು chemical responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. In human reproduction, the placenta performs a significant role in the development of a fetus into a child. Justify this statement. How can DNA copying be decided as one of the ways of reproduction in lower organisms? 36 question. How does lymph differ from blood? Mention its two functions. In fat form or the waste products stored in old xylems of plants, how do the products of photosynthesis transport to all plant parts of the plants? ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. In which part of the human brain controls the following activities? Involuntary activities, thinking process, posture and balance of the body. Next, what are phytohormones? Name 3 phytohormones that promote growth. Name the hormones that control the following activities in man: regulating sugar level in the blood, regulating the menstrual cycle, preparing the body to face situation, regulating the metabolism. Name any two tropism that occurs in plants. Give an example for each. ನೋಡಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Human hands and wings of the bird help to trace the evolutionary relationship. How? Explain the method of dating of fossils. Changes in the non-reproductive tissues will not inherit. Why? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೆವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ.